You're going to want to shoot for two goals as a trader. The first, of course, is profitability. The second is consistency. Without consistency, you're not going to be able to stay in the game. And profitability is going to go out the window. So how do you become consistent as a trader? Well, you have to practice and you have to keep score of your trading activities. And the way to keep score of your trading activities is not just to count the money, because whether you make money or you lose money is a result of your trading metrics. And trust me, keeping score of your trade metrics is important. So what do I mean when I talk about trade metrics? This spreadsheet gives you an example of the information, the metrics that you need to keep track of in order to become a consistent trader. The two metrics that are particularly important that you're going to want to improve your performance on are represented in this spreadsheet right here. The number of winners per day, the percentage, and you want to keep this around 70% if you can, and the cumulative average income or loss per trade over time. Now, keeping these metrics takes a little bit of arithmetic, and you need to do it at the end of your trading session each day. And each day, you enter this information, and over time, you'll see whether or not you'll be able to be consistent or even be able to trade. I urge you, don't trade real money without being able to measure your metrics and keep them to a high enough level where you know that you will become a consistent, successful trader. Let me give you an example. This spreadsheet provides the metric calculations in an automated format. We enter the date. Let's say we make 7 trades, and 4 of them are winners, and I earn $300 for the day. Now, the percentage of winners and the number of losers and the percentage of losers are calculated automatically. I also enter the amount of loss for the day. I lost $125, okay? So entering that, the spreadsheet automatically calculates the other metrics in order to automate the entire process. Everything on this sheet is what you need and what will tell you whether or not you can become a consistent trader and will help you improve your metrics. And again, the most important critical metrics are the percentage of winning trades and the cumulative average per trade. When I say cumulative, I mean over time. Anyone can make money one day, 2 days, but over time is the key. And if you can't keep this number positive and positive to a good enough degree, you are not going to be a good trader. You are not going to make money. You are going to lose money. So I urge you, keep these metrics. Now, I created this spreadsheet and it's automated, and all you need to do is enter in the white columns the total number of trades for the day, the number of winners, the total profit, you enter the loss, and everything else is calculated automatically. If you'd like to get this spreadsheet, again, it's totally automated. It will make life very easy in terms of keeping track of your trading metrics, and you'll become a better, more consistent trader. You can find a link to purchase this spreadsheet at my site at timelessdollar.com.